up, guys? Today we're in St. Louis at Worldwide Technology Raceway for Drift Day 30. Got the Mustang here. Everything is feeling really good on it. I spent a ton of time yesterday bolt checking, going over all the fluids, everything like that. Made a couple little suspension changes, so we're really excited today. We got comp at 1 o'clock, top 32. Guys with us, of course, and the whole gang, and we're gonna have a good day today. So a couple new things to the car. We've been having some transmission trouble, so I went ahead and did a service on it. And then I actually kind of built myself a custom shifter, just fabbed it up, and I really like the way that feels. That helps a lot. We're having some starting issues, so I actually replaced the cutoff switch as well. Real simple stuff. Replaced that. And then I also did some wiring for my gauges in here to make them work for my speedometer and all my temps and whatnot. Did a couple little suspension adjustments, added a little more toe out. I typically like about a half a degree. I actually went a little farther than that this time. But the car's running really well, staying really cool, no issues there. Got plenty of Kendas for today. Shout out Kenda, we love them, of course. Car's feeling really good, we're really excited, and we're gonna have a good day. So got about 6 or 7 practice laps in before comp. Comp's in like 15 minutes or so. I'm not for sure who we're battling, but I'm excited. Car feels really good. Made a few like small adjustments throughout the day, just like tire wise. Still sticking with some pretty non-grippy tires that I've been running all morning, but the car feels really comfortable, so I'm just gonna keep it that way. So we're gonna go into comp pretty excited and go from there. So this track's not quite as technical as most of the Drift STL ones typically are. It's pretty big. It's honestly really fun. It's got a huge entry, like good old school Japanese style entry. So big flick into a handbrake. That's really fun. I'm having a lot of fun doing that. Our buddy Gordon's been helping me, like I said, change a couple little things, and I got the car feeling really, really good. So this layout, like I said, big entry, and then you kind of go around to some tighter turns. A couple of them are pretty tight, but I'm doing a good job of left foot braking through those. Handbrake feels good, so I'm pretty excited to go into comp, and I think we're gonna tear it up.
Hey, we gotta get some more runs today, dude.
All right, fair enough.
I'm down. That last turn, I'm getting your door.
All right, all right.
I'm definitely
You better. It's gonna be a situation.
You want a mark or a dent?
Small dent, big mark. You know what I'm saying? Small dent, big mark.
Exactly.
And then vice versa.
Bet, dude. Good luck with your battle.
Yeah,
right?
thank you, bro. I appreciate you.
In the arms of the angel.
All right, guys, so just got done with our top 16 battle. We went ahead and won that. Moving on to top 8, really excited about that. I don't actually know who we battle, but the car feels really, really good, other than misfiring here and there. At times, it seems like it wants to run on 7 cylinders, which is kind of weird, but for the most part, it's feeling really good. I felt really comfortable driver-wise. I was just kind of letting the car do its thing, so I feel really confident going into top 8. I think we're going to do something here. Taking the hood off, I think we got some heat soaking. So battling my buddy Brendan here in his boosted Miata. So really excited. It's going to be a fun one. So hopefully we can run on all 8 cylinders, give them the best shot we got. So. All right, guys, moving on to top 4. Just had an awesome battle with my buddy Brennan. Both of us were a little down on power, but I pulled through with the W, thankfully. I was really trying everything I could power-wise, and it pulled through. So we're moving on to top 4. We're really excited for that. I'm gonna keep battling as hard as I can, and that's all we're gonna do today. So we've been putting in time in like crazy, working on the car, media, just busting ass at work, and now this. So I'm excited right now. We've had this coming, all of us together as a group. So let's keep going. All right, guys, well, we took second place. A lot of hardball battles. First place, I put down a really good chase. Sadly, second gear gave out, so there was just nothing I could do in the lead for my second half of the battle. But we're taking home second, and I'm really excited about that. So it's been a really great weekend, and shout out to everybody that made it happen. Big shout out to Guy, of course, with Elm Productions for making all of this happen. Shout out to Drift STL and Derek and everybody like that, of course. So it's been a great day, to say the least.